Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Chas A Gilbert in 1878. Black has the king, queen, rook, knight and pawn left. White has the king, pair of rooks, pair of bishops, knight and a queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the knight to d4 is only a checkmate in 3. If black does something like take the knight, then it can be a checkmate in 2. There's a saving move by moving the knight to d6. Queen can then take this. King can't move, so the rook has to take the queen. And then you can checkmate in 3 with the knight, with the queen being pinned by the white rook. Moving the queen to c6 is only a mate in 4. Black can move their knight to f6. You can then move your knight. Then black can check the king. You can take the knight back with your rook. Black moves their rook. Then you can move in with the queen, taking the other queen to checkmate in 4. Moving the knight to f4 isn't a checkmate in 2. Black can move their knight. You can then take the rook with your bishop, but then black can move their knight back to f7, checking the king. Moving the knight to f8 is only a checkmate in 4. Black can move their knight. You can then start to move the queen around. Black can check the white king to delay the mate, but then you can take back with the queen. Then if black moves the rook, there's a few checkmates possible here, but the knight to g6 is a checkmate in 4. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to f1. If black moves their knight to d6, you can then move the queen to f6 checkmate in 2. If black takes the white knights with their king, there's a reveal check on the white king, but you can block and checkmate in 2 with the queen. King can't move, the queen is pinned by the rook, and the rook is pinned by the bishop. If the black queen tries to take the rook to prevent the checkmate, you can just take it back with your queen to get a checkmate in 2. If black tries to move the rook, you can then move the queen to f4 to get a checkmate in 2. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.